life, never lie to PT sir.
We all request you to keep our secret. We will also keep yours.
What?
English teacher and PT sir. We are not like others. We don't shout like, PT sir, English teacher.
However, due to tumultuous traffic, this happened. The couple used to carry 4 cars of water for 4 miles just for the sampling. What happened? She was in hospital in the roundness of her husband. Rose Thinapa died in 1991. She had a remote consistent of hospital and a village in Lebanon for problem and first has been set up for the first and for the first. What does she want to do in Lebanon? So this award. In 1991. In 1995, she was awarded the National Citizen Award. In 2016, she was she was listed by the British Broadcasting Corporation as one of the most influential and inspiring women of the world. She was recognized by the Government of India. In 1995, she got the National Citizen Award, and in 2016, she was listed as one of she was listed by the British Broadcasting Corporation as one of the most influential and inspiring women of the world. She was recognized by the Government of India. Who's talking to the mother's son? This is my copy, to be honest. Okay, I don't even write notes. Jimmy, who is Jimmy? Oh, why did you question? Why has Jimmy never seen a dog? Jimmy has never seen a dog because he was a moon born and he never went to Earth. Who's Robert? Robert is a mechanical. Is Robert is Jimmy's mechanical dog. Describe the Jimmy and how does describe Jimmy and how does he look? Jimmy was the son of Mr. and Mrs. Anderson by Earth standard. He was spindly but rather tall for a 10-year-old. His arms and legs were long and agile. He looked thicker and stubbier with his spacesuit on. But he could handle the lunar gravity like no Earthborn could. Who is Jimmy? Describe Jimmy and how does he look? Jimmy was the son of Mr. Anderson. By Earth standards, he was spindly but rather tall for a 10-year-old. His arms and legs were long and agile. He looked thick and stubbier in his spacesuit on. And he could handle the lunar gravity like no Earthborn could. Who was Jimmy? He was the son of Mr. and Mrs. Anderson. Who was Jimmy? Jimmy was the son of Mr. and Mrs. Anderson. He was spindly but rather tall for a 10-year-old. His arms and legs were agile. He looked thicker and stubbier in his spacesuit. Spacesuit, but he could handle the lunar gravity like no Earthborn could. Okay. Around it, the other side of the crater sloped southward, and the Earth, which was low in the southern sky, whether it was always facing the city, was never full, so that the entire crater slope was widely lit. Why could Jimmy not go wrong with Robert around? Jimmy could not go and why? Who could Jimmy not outlive? Who? Jimmy could not outlive Robert who did not need a spacesuit. Why could Jimmy not go wrong with Robert around? You could not go wrong with Google round tripping him when he was heart was out of these guys. Is used to organize waste data in a single place to benefit the database are first. It helps the user save time and energy second. Uh-huh. Two benefits of database management system. Two benefits of database management system. First, it saves the time and energy of the user. Second, it allows the user to retrieve data from the database quickly. Differentiate between flat file database and relational database. Flat file database saves the user's data in a table, 9 unstructured file. It stores the user's data in unstructured file called the flat file. Example: MS Excel relational database. Relational stores the user's data in rows and tables. Example: MS Access. The syntax of if statement. एक chapter आगे बढ़ रहा है. Various component of MS Access. This component of MS Access are first. Access are first field. Definition. It columns in database is called field. Field record the rows in the database is called record data. Data, a collection of facts and information is called data. Query, retrieve data in database. Form, it is used to enter or display data in database. Report, it is used to display or to get an output from database. What is primary key? What define primary key? Primary key contains the values that help user to uniquely identify each record in a table. It can help in a database because if we use primary key on a record, if we use data key in a record, no field could record on the table that Primary key contains the values that help the user to uniquely identify each record in a table. Primary key contains the value that help the user to uniquely identify each table. And contains the value that helps the user to uniquely identify each record in a table. Primary key contains the value that helps the user uniquely identify each record in a table. We can use directly on a record on the table so that record on the table so that the field on that record on the table cannot be duplicated. Hence, each of the values, each record will be uniquely identified. Primary key contains the values that help the user to identify each record, uniquely identify each record in a table. Primary key contains the values. Primary key contains the values. Primary key contains the values that help the user uniquely identify each record in a table. We can use primary key on this. Primary key contains a unique value. It contains the value that helps the user uniquely identify the record on the table. Primary key contains the values that help the user to uniquely identify each record on a table. We can use primary key so that the values cannot be duplicated, hence making each record unique from the other. What a control system statement? Statement that allows you to give conditions or to iterate the are additionally called control system statement. Statement that allow you to give conditions or to iterate statement that allow you to statement that allow you to statements that allow you to give conditions or to iterate are collectively called Statement that allow you to give statement that allow you to give conditional conditions or to iterate are collectively called I'm not gonna give you my password, okay? I'm so sorry, I'm not gonna give you. Should I do it in these games? Oh hell no. This game is bad. Statement that allows you to give conditions or to iterate are collectively called. Oh shit. I did not do that. I don't not mean to do that, okay? I did not mean to do that at all. Just go change the password, bro. Go change the password. Fast. Well, I don't know. It was an accident, okay? Why are you timing her out, huh? Try 10. Yeah, I had to delete it, okay? That is it for today, guys. Bye bye. See you all tomorrow. I'm gonna go study now. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye.